The study of universe is called cosmology. The coldest planet of solar system is Neptune. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west due to the rotation of the earth on its axis. Solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between sun and earth. The first person in space was Yuri Gagarin. Earth is known as blue planet. Venus is known as morning star. Earth is known as Terra planet. Our galaxy consists of 8 stars. Solar system was discovered by Copernicus. Earth is also called as watery planet. The heaviest mass revolving around the Sun is Jupiter. The Sun is bigger than the Earth by 109 times. Venus is known as Earth's twins. The first ever artificial satellite was launched by Russia. The period of one revolution of Sun around the center of galaxy is called cosmic year. The first artificial satellite was launched in October 4, 1957. The visible part of the Sun is called photosphere. The Moon takes dash to return to the same position among the constellations 28 days. Venus is the Roman goddess that was called Aphrodite in Greek. Moon is called a satellite of the Earth because it revolves around the Earth. Light year is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. The lunar eclipse occurs when Earth comes between the Sun and Moon. Solar eclipse occurs on new moon. The lunar eclipse occurs on full moon. The European Space Agency has recently sent its first spacecraft to the moon named. Bodies which usually fall from the sky on the Earth are called meteors. Most astronomers believe that origin of the universe is Big Bang theory. The planet with shortest daytime is Jupiter. The energy generation in stars is due to fusion of light nuclei. The first Saudi in space was Sultan Salman Al Saud. The first Syrian in space was Muhammad Faris. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is spiral. Supernova means a dying star. Dash was the first to measure the distance around the Earth, Eratosthenes. According to new scientific research, that water is present on the surface of Mars except Earth planet. Hubble is a space telescope. Hubble Space Telescope was launched into space on 24th April 1990. Stars which appear single to the naked eye but are a double star when observed by a telescope are known as binaries. The outermost layer of Sun is called corona. The biggest star in our galaxy is UV Scuti. Dash is the most abundant element in the universe, hydrogen. The first Western scientist to suggest that the Earth revolves around the Sun was Copernicus. Dash and Dash are the two planets of the solar system that have no satellites, moons, Mercury and Venus. Dash was space laboratory launched in 1973. It belonged to US Skylab. The Earth's rotation on its axis is from west to east. The branch of science which deals with the nature and motion of celestial bodies is called astronomy. The Sun is bigger than the Earth by 109 times. Jupiter has dash natural satellites 92. The correct sequence of following planets in terms of gravity in the descending order is Jupiter,